Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie. And today we are in a festive mood. Navratri will be coming soon. So let us make something related to Dandiya, because Dandiya is something which everybody enjoys. So what we will do, we not make only people dancing. What we will do is we'll make Mata Rani in the background. We'll give it a red tinge and then we shall do the drawing. Let's see how it comes. Even I'm not very sure. So we will take 2 points. Actually I was just making these 2 points, okay, these 2 points, and then we will write a ulta U. Okay, so let's write a ulta U, not a ulta U exactly, and just at the center we shall draw, this is the crown, okay, the crown of, okay, so we should have 2 points here and it should go like that. Of Ma Durga, 2 point, sorry, you know, whenever I made any god का I get very scared. कुछ भी मिस्टेक हुआ ना तो मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है. So giving it again a shape like that. Then we shall have 2 circles here. This is what we had learned when we were doing our elementary intermediate. We had this drawing and that initially in the previous books. Now to they don't have. Okay, so let's make a, okay, all this will be only the bordering part, and then we shall, let's see, first let us make the shape. Let's make the face. So to make the face we make a U with a small chin. Okay, then we give a T factor to it and we start with the nosy part. So we make a U, take a turn, tichak, tichak. Then 1 U, 2 U, 3 U. Children, I have promised many children many things. I'm going to do everything. Children, don't get disheartened. The only thing is that time is the limit. I can do only one drawing in a day, and sometimes my video gets so spoiled that I don't have to I don't post that day. But I make sure that I'm doing my drawings on a daily basis. So big eyes of Ma Durga. Okay, let's give it a shape, good shape. Now when you make these eyes, you have to see that this is equal to this is equal to this. Okay, that's what you are asked to see. That's it. Then we have the eyeballs. The eyes need to be very impressive, children, in any, but this will only be a small because we will have the Dandiya girls, the main figures here. This will be the eyebrows, and we can make a bindi. Ma Durga bindi is how I don't know. Okay, so I'm giving this bindi as Ma Durga bindi, and we shall rub all this. Okay, then after this over here there is something very big, I know that. So from here you take a turn, you go here, then you have a big kaju. No, yes, I'm not sure. Yes, you have a big kaju, and from here too you have a big kaju, and it should be of the similar size. I think so. The face is ahead and the kaju is behind. Yes, the face is ahead and the kaju badam is behind. Okay, now we will have the neck. Yeah, that's enough. And we will have the kaju ka design little here and little here. So this is only the background which we have made, children. Okay, now we'll make the dancing girls. Now this is the necklace, and inside, yes, you can make any sort of design. We will just marker this and keep it aside. I'll show you how we do the background. If you want to keep an image, you can do it. So this will be a background image. Okay, Now what we are supposed to have is the dancing girls. So let me start with the dancing girls here. Now see, can you see the image properly? Now I'm rubbing it a bit, okay? I'm just rubbing it a bit because we want this in the background. I can see it. I don't know whether you will be able to see it or not, but chalega, because we just want this in the background. So I'm making it a bit lighter. Now we'll have the dancing girls. So to have the dancing girls, I'll be making one girl here with a big ambuda. Okay, a big ambuda with a little bit of ornamental things here. So I have just made one with this. Then I have made a ornament here with a little bit of beauty parlor thing, you know, which the girls usually put inside in their dresses. So this is the sar. Sar means the head. Okay, after making the head, you're going to take a U here. See, this way. Then the blouse will follow, but let me show you the hands. Always remember, children, when you make the face, I think it should be clear. I don't know whether it is clear. Now we will make an obtuse angle. Now to make an obtuse angle, first this will be chota, this will be bada. It should go a little ahead. इसकी गाड़ी इधर रुक गई, इसकी गाड़ी थोड़ा आगे गई, ठीक है. उसके बाद हम लोग को ऐसे हाथ करना और ऐसे हाथ करना है. ओके, सो हर हैंड्स आर गोइंग ऊपर ऐसे चिक टिक चिक टिक चिक. उसकी म्यूजिक नहीं पता, वो क्या होता है, ढोली तारो नहीं, वो जेठालाल की म्यूजिक आती है ना, वो वाली म्यूजिक, द रिंग टोन ऑफ हिज. नाउ देयर विल बी अ डांडिया इन हर हैंड. ओके, सो हर हैंड with lots of bangles. Okay, that all we will do later on. Now this is her blouse, which comes here. This will be her body shape for the blouse, and her blouse is with so much of tani. So let us make it wakad and do it like that. It will be clear after we make the, so this, and the dupatta will come from here. Nay, first let us make her body shape. So this should be her body shape. This is her back. Okay, with her ghagra down. Now our entire lady is not going to fit, children. Okay, so her second hand will be here, and she is holding it like that. Okay, so her dandiya should be somewhere here, and she is holding it like that, and her hands come here. I am not sure whether it is going to come out to be good. And then we will have the tani, which is usually there on the blouses. Okay, tani. And then we'll give a pattern later on. That all will follow when we do the coloring part. Then her dupatta. Okay, once let us make her ghagra. So her ghagra should be big one with lots of pleats. Let it come here. Her legs, I think so, will not be clear, because this, yes, the leg should be till here, so it will not be there. But let us make the sunari. So one sunari from here goes here, one sunari from here takes a turn and goes here, then again it comes out from here and it comes in the front. So it comes from here and it comes in the front. So we have made the sunari part. Sunari. I think so the lehenga also should be long enough. So let the lehenga go below the book. It's not necessary that you have to show the entire thing. So we will make few layers. Floating lehenga. Lehenga ke pata nahi what is it called? Ghagra. गरबा का घाघरा है ना, घाघरा. दिल्ली शहर में मारो घाघरा घूमियो, वो वाला गाना आया याद मेरे को। ए घूमियो, हाय हाय सब मर गए मारो घाघरा घूमियो। Dandiya is a festival which each and every kid enjoys. Now this drawing is not the elementary intermediate drawing, because there you have to draw 7 figures. I will be hardly making any figures. I think so her hand proportion of holding the dandiya is not that accurate. So let me make it properly. Okay, so she's holding the dandiya and the dandiya comes here. Okay, let's see. So one lady is done here, so and the other lady should follow somewhere here. So how should I make it? I'm confused. I have a style. I'll just make a little bit of lady visible. So I will start with her hand. Okay, then her blouse should come somewhere here. Can you see? I'll just rub this part. So this is her blouse, children. This is her back, and see, we have made one shape and two shape. This is her back, children. Now this is her body with a long choli. This will be her back, and her hand is the second part of the blouse is here. I don't know whether it is going to come out to be good or no, but let me try. Okay, so now the same back part with the 1 2 threads like that, and her ghagra is also going. She's worn a long blouse, so we will directly make the ghagra. Let's make the ghagra till here, and her ghagra is still floating here. Now the challenge is the face. Okay, let's make her hand first. This will be small, this will be big, and then her hands will come behind. It is her dandiya step, so her hands go here, and she is holding the dandiya. So 1 2 3 4, and her dandiya stick has to be, wait, when you hold it, now this is her hand, correct? When you hold it, no, this is her hand. So when you hold it, the thumb will come. Okay, so the stick has to go from behind, and here she's holding it. Okay, now this part. So I will have to show the dancing girl's half face. Let's see. No, it's wrong. 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 Let me rub a little bit because I'm getting a bit confused now. Let's make the ears first. Oh, बहुत बड़ा बन गया. Let's make a question mark. After making the question mark, let's make her amboda. Okay, after making the amboda, we shall make one more and give a turn to her choti. Okay, this is a choti which is floating in air because she's floating in air. So this will come ahead. Okay, now it shall happen. Now this is her hair which goes here. It comes here. Yes, now it will happen. I was a bit confused. How should I do it? Aha. So her neck has to be proper. So this is her neck, and only this part of her face will be seen. Yes, and this will be her eyelashes, and the tikka is also flowing. एकदम जोश में वो डांस कर रही है, तो it's happening like that. Now we can make the Mata Rani ka parts. Otherwise, it's very confusing when you see everything and then you do it. It is a little difficult. So we have made two girls. I'll make one more drawing with Navratri part. Okay, I did not make this hand. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So one small, one big, letter hand. Okay, it will come on the face, but it's okay. Is here, and what will she be doing? Her thumb should be here. and she's holding the dandiya. Wait, I am getting confused now. Her back is here, so her thumb is here. Okay, so this should be the position of her holding. 1, 2, 3, and let the ungli be there. Okay, now let me see. My gosh, you know, when you do memory drawings, you have to be very careful. You all must be laughing. अरे तन्नू टीचर को भी नहीं आता. अरे आता है रे, लेकिन it takes time. And I am not at all worried that my things will not happen. Because if it does not happen, it's okay. We are all humans, children. We all make mistakes. Always remember that. We all do make mistakes. So, अगर नहीं भी आता है तो it is absolutely okay. So we will make the chudas. I will make chudas directly with my markers. So when I come back with my marker part, you all will see the chudas, okay? I hope the drawing was clear to you. What we have done is made a Mata Rani photo, and we have made two girls dancing. Now we are going to make the colorful background with this in the background, and then our ladies, I'll come back to you after I do my markers, okay? Is that clear, children? I just hope it is clear. Okay, children, now I'm back. See, my phone is also doing garba now. It is shaking. I'm back by doing a bordering. Now what is our task is to color these two girls very colorful and rest the background. Now this Mata Rani is going to go in the background. So rest of the background has to be differently colored. Okay, so first let us take the skin color. So for that I have taken my normal orange and my flash tint, and wherever there is skin, now see her hands are skin, so one part I'm going to do the orange color. Now as I told you, I have put a lot of bangles on their hands that I hadn't done when I was teaching you all the drawing. So this is a hand, this is the hand. I'm using orange, children. Okay, this is her back. I'm using two shades. I'm using the normal orange, and this is also her back. I'm using the normal orange, and I'll be using the flesh tint color. So I'll be using here. You have to be really careful. Okay, with the face it will be this side. This was a little difficult for me. I was thinking कि मेरे से नहीं हुआ तो, but हो गया. What I did, I started with the hand first. You all must have seen. I started with the hand and then I went forward. So this is her skin. Sometimes you'd really get confused. It's okay. Memory drawings are usually very confusing. Is any skin part left? No. Now I'm using my flash tint and I'm coloring rest of the hand with my skin color. You all can use white also to drag it. That will give a more gori ladki. So it all depends upon you how you want it. This is her skin. I've left a little white here purposely. Here also I feel I should leave a little white. I will leave it. So this is her skin colors. I'll be coming up with one more drawing, but I have to finish my Spider-Man. I have to finish a Warli art and so many. Acha, the child who has requested me to make festivals is okay, but social issues are not what I make. I never make negative drawings, and I never I just don't like to do negative drawings. It's why do unnecessarily negative and feel negative? You should be always positive. You know, colors give so much of joy. Why make social issue drawings? I'm not going to do that. So I'm through with this. Now I take my favorite color, my rose pink color, and I take my blue, and I take my purple, and I take my Persian blue. I take so many colors in my hand, and I'll take green also. I don't know what am I going to do. I've taken so many colors. Let's see. So I will start. I'm starting my dupatta first. I'll complete this girl. So I will start with, oh, this is Persian blue. I thought it is the, never mind. I've taken 2 Persian blues. So let me keep that inside and let me take 2 other colors. Okay, after my blue, what I will do is, I will take my rose pink color, because rose pink color and blue has a very good combination. Okay, then I take my gray rose color. You have to make it very colorful, children, very colorful. I like this drawing because it is colorful. Navaratri is colorful. Though I never go out and play, but still I like it. Why I don't go out and play is because I don't know how to dance. So, I have just smudged it. Now let's go in for my purples. You all can use any damn colors, whichever you wish. Because after doing all this, we will be doing a little bit of bandhani work also, children. So, please use any colors, whichever comes to your mind. Don't think it will not look nice. Everything starts looking nice if you're doing it well. If you don't do it well, then nothing will look nice. Correct? So please do it, and do it with full confidence. I don't even know which colors I'm picking up. I've just taken few colors in my hand and I'm just doing it. Oh. I've left a little bit of whites here, which I'm going to smudge it with yellow to make it a bit more colorful. See, the entire dupatta I made so colorful. Similarly, we'll make the dupatta colorful here also. So I'll start with green here. See, children, whatever you are doing, you are just making the basic. Now after this, we are going to use our acrylic colors for the bandhani prints. You know that white types of prints. After blue, I'll take my yellows. So it is also going to give me a green tinge, and then my yellow. Okay. So done with the dupatta part. Now let's go in for her choli. Choli can be light violet here. Let's make it also very colorful. Oh, yeah, you have to be careful. We'll make it light violet here also. Okay, then we'll use a rose pink color for this part, and a rose pink color for this part. Okay, let's make this green, and let's make this part blue. And let these parts be blue as well. Oh, I thought I would do it yellow. I forgot. No, it's okay. You can do any color which comes to your mind, but just be careful when you're doing it. So I made the blouse. Okay, these bangles are white in color. Even the headgear is white. So what we will do is, we will take the dark gande wala brown to do the hair. So you can take black as well, no problem, because I've already made, I've used a marker to do the hair of this lady. So this lady is a little Firangi. She's come from outside. So she's wearing a, no, she has brown hair, dark brown hair. You know, there are so many shades. There is even a burgundy shade now. There is dark brown, burgundy, and vagera shades now in the market. So let me use this fluorescent yellow for this and fluorescent yellow for this. Okay, now let's start with the ghagra. Now to start with the ghagra, we will take green. Green के साथ कौन सा color अच्छा लगेगा? Yellow. So first we will make one part green, and then yellow in between. Then we shall take violet. Violet के साथ कौन सा अच्छा लगेगा? Violet. I'm making it very colorful. I don't know what I'm using, but I'm trying to make it colorful because I like colorful drawings. I'm taking the light rose pink color for the inner part of this. Okay, my ghagra has to be very colorful. So I'm taking my Persian blue here. पर्शियन ब्लू थोड़ा सा ही चाहेगा इधर से क्योंकि बाकी का उसमें छुप गया. एंड आई टेक माई रोज पिंक. यस, लेट मी टेक माई रोज पिंक हियर. माय गॉड, बहुत सारा आ गया. अभी इधर रोज पिंक ही आना चाहिए. ब्लू ज़्यादा आ गया उसमें. नेवर माइंड, बट इट शुड लुक कलरफुल. दैट्स इट. दैट्स माई मेन इंटेंशन. नाउ लेट्स टेक फ्लोरेसेंट. नहीं, लेट अस रिपीट विद ग्रीन. Then yellow. इसमें क्या, अगर कचरा भी आया कलर में चलता है. Okay, now this will be violet from here. Violet down. Was it for this? Shit, I get so confused now in life. Never mind. I will do violet again. Okay, so this was violet. This no. I'll make it dark violet instead. Dark violet. Now which color will go in with dark violet? Let's use pink, fluorescent pink color. So fluorescent pink color with dark violet. Okay. So I'll use green, not green combination. We'll use the blue combination. Blue. You know, I missed one color. वो color मेरे से रोएगा, बाद में गुस्सा करेगा मेरे को. You know which color is that? Can you all guess? किसने guess किया? मैंने कौन सा color नहीं use किया? मैंने रेड नहीं यूज़ किया बच्चा. रेड तो रेड वाला ये लड़की को कर देंगे. उसमें क्या है, बहुत सारे कलर्स आएंगे. एंड अगेन येलो. So a very colorful ghagra. I don't know what I have done, but I have done it. Now let's make this part one color. So for that, let me use my crimson color. Will that look nice, or should I use my primary red? Whichever comes first in my hand. I think so. I don't know. I think so. It's the crimson color. No, it's the primary red color. So I'm using primary red. Now this will be one ना, नहीं तो ऐसा लगेगा किसी और का चकत्ता मांग के पहन लिया. Okay, this entire thing we'll do red. See, even if it goes inside, don't bother children, because we are going to do it again with a very nice acrylic shades. So you don't bother कि मेरा इसके अंदर चला गया, अभी क्या करेंगे. वो जाता ही है. It is such a tiny little thing that it will go inside. I lied. I thought I did not on the video. मेरे साथ ऐसा बहुत बार होता है, बहुत बार. फिर मेरे को वापस बनाना पड़ता है. So this is done. This white we are going to redo it with our Okay, so for this, what should we do? Let us take green, orange. We haven't used orange, so I'm making her ghagra green. See, such a colorful. Indian festivals are very colorful. Even if someone from outside, if they are watching this video, just listen and understand how colorful Indian festivals are. We enjoy every bit of our festivals. So I am doing this with two shades, light green and dark green, and we wear colorful clothes. You know, I went outside sometimes before, and I saw major of the people over there, they wear, you know, which color clothes. No, this is not looking nice, so let me make either white or black. Why? Please wear colorful clothes. When you wear colorful clothes, when you do something very colorful, your life becomes automatically colorful. You don't have to tell anybody, and it happens. Bring colors in your life, and colors will bring life in you. वाह 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 वाह, क्या कहने. नहीं, वो अपने आप आया, मेरे को नहीं पता था. It just came. So I'm using a fluorescent yellow color to do this part, and then again we shall use the light green and dark green colors. So yes, the ghagra should come inside here. So let me check. Yes, it should come here because she's just in between. So after yellow, which color should we use? Let's use blue. Let's use blue. I know my videos are very long, children, but I cannot help it because I just don't want to show half done work to you. I want you to know how you do it. If you want, you have a choice, children, to fast forward my videos. So the choice is left on you. They have given, the YouTube people have given the choice. So if you want, you can fast forward my video and see. I have absolutely no problem, but I just don't want to fast forward and send it to you. Okay, because of this, I make my videos, the time consumed, I just stop in between if I don't find anything, or I stop in between when I require to change something. So her ghagra is also done. Now let us make this green, 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 fairy queen. So we have done with the ghagras. Now what is remaining is the dandiyas. I wanted the dandiyas to be a little different colored, so I'll do that with acrylic, children. Now we will start painting the background. Achha, before doing that, I wanted you to understand what am I doing. I'm taking a grey color for the eyes. Okay, and we will do red for the bindi and for the lips. Now we'll quickly start with the painting part. We'll make the colorful background. So I have my paints ready. Where is my watercolor? I'm very disorganized, children, but that does not mean that you need to be disorganized. Okay, I'll have to remove all this stuff from here so that you all can see it. Okay, forget it. I'll take it out later on. Okay, now you can see it. There's a lot of work to be done. So I'm taking my crimson color first. These are watercolors, children. So I'm taking my crimson color to do this part colorful. I'll just not do it with crimson color, I'll use yellows, I'll use so many colors. Now you just have to do it on it. You can use orange. Actually with crimson, yellow gives a very nice look, but my yellow is got over, so I cannot help it. Now let's use blue. My blue is not clean. It is giving a sea green color, but it is okay. Be careful with your kadas. Okay, never mind. Let us use sap green color. Wow, this is nice. So let's continue with it for some time. Let's use blue again. No, there should be a little bit of orange here. दिल्ली शहर का सारा मीना बाजार लगे. So ब्लू है ना इधर. हाँ तो इधर रेड कर देते थोड़ा सा. नहीं, रेड रेड हो गया ज़्यादा. चलेगा, इट्स ओके. So no. Actually I don't have yellow, so that is a very big drawback. Yellows give a very nice effect. Wait, I'll come back. I'll take a little bit of buff color instead. I'll have to buy. So don't bother, you all can go inside your dandiyas also, because we are going to use acrylic colors to do it. So don't you mind it. I'll take a little bit of blue here. Yes. Anything else left? No, I don't think so. Okay, after this dries, we will start with the acrylic part. Okay children, so I'll shut my video for some time and let it dry and then come back to you. Okay, now this is not dry children, but still I'm starting with my parts of the ghagra because it's late night. So I do these parts. I told you don't bother if your red color comes inside this. So I will just quickly do few parts and I'll show it to you before we wind up. Okay, now this part also, let's see. I want it to dry and I'm going to change it because I'm not liking that much. So let us first make few spots here and there on the ghagra, because this is also going to take a good time to dry. This is the bandhani print which usually ladies wear for the ghagra, for the dandiya. So let the dupatta be with a different print. So we are just doing, if you don't have acrylic children, it is absolutely okay. Not necessary that you have to do it. You can opt for different textures also. Now I've taken a little jadia brush, and I intend to do few dots here. Now I'll have to turn my book to do few dots on her blouse. It's full bandhani. Okay, now we shall go in for the kada parts which we had painted. You just have to make them white again. This dandiya. You know what am I thinking? I don't know whether it will look nice or no, but मैं ऐसा सोच रही हूँ कि थोड़ा सा गुलाल उड़ा देंगे, तो गुलाल उड़ाएंगे तो थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगेगा. बट वो गुलाल उड़ाने के लिए our painting, our book needs to be completely dried. Let's see. Okay, so this is my dandiya, and these are the kadas which I am recoloring it white with acrylic white. Children, I am using acrylic white to recolor it. Now let's make few dots on her blouse to give only on the sleeves part here. We'll use on the sleeves part here too, because same होना चाहिए, है ना. Then this kadas, this kadas to completely become blue. Okay, this dandiya. The blouse here. With few dots here. Now since we have made dots on this ghagra, we are not going to make dots in this ghagra, but yes, I'm planning to do a little leheriya for her dupatta, a little leheriya. So my festival drawing is done. The child had requested me to make the Hindi Divas, but Hindi Divas drawing child, I always make all the Divas. I had made the ozone layer also, but I forgot to post on the day when the ozone layer falls, ozone protection layer falls, day falls, and I'm so sorry. रात हो गई ना, अभी मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा रात हो गई है इसलिए ना शब्द खाए जा रहे हैं. अभी मेरे शब्द सपनों में आएंगे. And so many tough drawings here. You all are giving me challenges to make tough drawings. कोई मेरे को easy drawing का challenge नहीं देता है. सब लोग मेरे को tough drawings का challenge देते हैं. साई बाबा बनाओ. मैंने कभी साई बाबा नहीं बनाया था. First time I made साई बाबा. Oof. Okay. So let this bindu also be white. Now what I was telling, that since this is looking too, क्या बोलते हैं, दब गई है, मतलब this is looking colorful, but then this is not matching with it. I wanted it to be more brighter, so I had planned I will rub red color. I'll do one thing. See children, I'm not doing much. The drawing is over, but what I will do is, I personally feel I'll click a photo of this, but then this background मेरे को थोड़ा गुलाल उड़ाना है, तो मैं थोड़ा गुलाल उड़ा लूँगी. आफ्टर दिस ड्राइज, इट्स ऑलरेडी वेरी लेट चिल्ड्रन, सो नथिंग लाइक दैट. I'll just be doing oil pastels and then again I'll be posting it. So the Navratri ladies are ready, but I just want a little gulal to be here and there. I cannot do that with because it's wet. Otherwise I would have done it right away with y'all. So bye till then. Good night. Have a nice night. Remember my drawings and do it before Navratri. Post it on Facebook group, Canvas and scissors. बाप रे दम लो मी बाई.
So children, just let me show you what am I doing, because मेरा दिल नहीं मानता without showing you all. So what am I doing is I'm putting a little bit of, this is my gande wala brown children here. This is the only part which is smudged inside, and then we shall use our oranges and reds colors. So let this part be dark. Let this part be dark. Then we shall go in for our reds. My god, everything is wetty. See children, it is not necessary that all your drawings come good, but nothing is bad either. Correct? You all have always few options of correcting it. Not correcting it, but doing it in a proper way which soothes your eye. So never mind even if certain times, certain things don't fall in place. It happens with everyone. Not only with me, it will happen with you, it will happen with... Let me take my orange. Yes. And then I will go in for my blues. Just smudging colors and showing the gulal. The darker shades. See now what will happen is, I have done my orange here, correct? Now what am I going to do is just take my finger and smudge it. Let the other color be at the background, no issues at all. So, ये उड़ गया है. Now let us go for more colors here. Yes, when you are doing this, you have to be careful. इधर उड़ गया है. Let us put a blue patch also. Let's put a blue patch. Correct? So I put a blue patch and I'm smudging it again with my oil pastels. Already ready patch again here. With the reds goes orange. Oh, I've entered this patch. Never mind, I can do it again with my acrylic. Let's take orange and then I'll go in for green. So I've taken orange here again. I'm taking yellow also. Oh, so that the smudging of the colors is एकदम perfect. Correct? हमको गुलाल टाइप उड़ाना है बच्चों, तो बस हम वही कर रहे हैं. हम सिर्फ गुलाल उड़ा रहे हैं. So smudge it with your hand. Let the colors flow. I'm taking a bit of green also. So I'll take my light green because, okay, I take a little green. And then again I take my red. I have to smudge it with my hand. Oh, I couldn't help showing it to you, so I said let me show it to you. Okay, so this color over here, let's do it red again. दिल्ली शहर का सारा मीना बाजार लेके. And now what you can do is, now let me put a bit of red here also. With the yellow smudging. Which way this? Let's see. Never get disheartened. We will do something tigdam, which will make it bigdam. Okay, so we have done a bit of our work. Now what we do is we take good amount of white on our brush. See, I've taken white on my brush and I'm doing the bundis, making the stars. You know why make it.